Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to bring you guys my Walgreens haul. Now Walgreens is kind of a little bit of a slow week for me. There's a lot of great deals with digitals. So I did go to Walgreens today. I went to the one that I usually go to on Tuesday. I just am not feeling it today. I don't know if it's just the weather. I had to work all weekend long, so all Thanksgiving weekend long, and I am just exhausted, and I'm just going through this rut where I just don't want to go and coupon. And we all get those days, but you know, a lot of you guys can just go whenever you want. I try to get my video, you know, try to do my haul in the beginning of the week so I can show you guys deals, but there's just days where I'm just like, nah. So that's just what today is. So I went shopping. I've been home for like an hour and a half, and I'm like, okay, I gotta film my video, but I didn't get much today, which is fine. I still got a couple things which I was excited for. I'm probably going to go back and do a second haul for you guys once I find out a little bit more deals. But I'm just so exhausted that I'm just like, okay, I'm going to get you some deals. But the good deal that you guys definitely want to get is this Oral-B toothbrush. Now, my store didn't have hardly any signs up. I was scanning the items with the app, and everything that I scanned said this product is not available on Walgreens.com. And I'm just like, so I have no idea what was on sale. I was taking the ad through me and just trying to figure out what was on sale. So when I got to the registers, finally stuff showed up. But this is a great deal if you guys want to do this, or if you want to give somebody toothbrushes for Christmas. Now this is originally $31.99. $32 for a toothbrush. Like, you guys know we don't pay that much. A regular person would, but we don't pay that much. But right now they are on the deals of the week, and they are $15.99 on sale right now. But then there is a $5 off digital coupon that you guys want to clip to your account. You guys would just get this for $10.99. It's an okay deal. I like using an electrical toothbrush. I just haven't used it, but pretty easy. I mean, you just use the toothbrush and then you just change the head. But I thought for $10, $10.99, I think that's a pretty good deal. And if you guys have, you know, register rewards you guys want to use, you can definitely go ahead and do that. But my store didn't have this marked, and I kind of just guessed it, and I'm glad I guessed the right one. I also looked at the ad, and the ad was like right on. So definitely get that if you guys want to go ahead with that. I got the Barbasol and the Pure Silk. Now these are on sale this week for 99 cents. No coupons needed. You guys can get as many of these as you want. Usually this is a pretty good deal because usually we can get those for that price when there's coupons, but right now we don't need any coupons for that. The razors are on sale too, but they're not cheap enough for me. But I'm like, for shaving cream, I think that's a pretty good deal. So we got the original. They just changed their can. It looks like, it says it's the 100th anniversary edition. So they made it kind of look like it was, you know, back in the day, which is kind of cool. So I like that. And then we got the regular Pure Silk, so, or the raspberry kind, so we got that. I ended up doing the Palmolive dish soap because apparently there is a soap shortage, all over the place. Like, I've seen people post Walmart's having a soap shortage. So I thought, you know what, I'd rather just kind of stock up on soap just in case. And I really like the small bottle, so anytime I can get a good deal on a small bottle, I go ahead and do that. But these are 99 cents this week, and then there is a 25-cent digital coupon that you guys can use, and you guys would get this for just 74 cents. So if you guys need to get hands or dish soap, definitely go ahead and do that. Now I ended up doing the soft soap deal. Now these were $1.99. They do have a bigger one. Those are $2.99, and then you guys could either mix and match. But I don't have any coupons for these, so I just did the $1.99 because these are just as good. So these are buy one, get one 50% off at $1.99. So two of them are $1.99 and two of them are 99 cents. You guys would end up paying $5.96. So you can pay $6 for 4 of these. But then you guys would get 4,000 points when you buy 4, making it $1.96. Or just 49 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal because if you go to Walmart, these are like $1. So, and you can get these also at Dollar Tree for $1 too, but 49 cents I think is a great deal. Now, if you guys do have register rewards and you want to use them up, these are considered filler items, you guys, because you're not using any coupons for these, so these are filler items. But you guys can also, you know, get points with these. So if you guys want to get your points back, definitely go ahead and do the soap deal. So you're not wasting a lot with that. I did the Renuzit deal because my Renuzit is going a little low. I wish they had the apple cinnamon, but my store, they must like discontinued them. But I'm like, I'm totally cool with raspberry. So we got the raspberry Renuzits. Now these are 89 cents, and there is a digital coupon for buy 3, you get 1 free. So you guys would buy 4 of them, and you guys would get 89 cents off or 89 cents back when you buy 4 of them. Sorry, I'm just that tired, you guys. I'm just that out of it. But you guys would pay $2.67 for all 4 of these. It comes out to be just 66 cents a piece, which is an okay deal. So I like having these all throughout my house just because, you know, they're not a super strong thing and they actually do work. So I love it. And it's funny thing is, like, there's a hole in the top where you guys can smell it, but I like to open them up a little bit easier. So definitely go ahead and do that if you guys want to go and do that. Now, I did the Kit Kat deal. My store didn't have the Kit Kat duos. I tried scanning the Kit Kats. They would not scan. And then it said that you guys could do Kit Kats or Hershey's. And I'm like, okay, we'll see what works. So I ended up just buying the regular Kit Kats. My digital coupon did not come off. So I think you have to buy the Kit Kat duos or the regular Hershey bars. So we'll try it again, but I don't care. These were still 79 cents. But if you guys get your digital coupon to work, you guys want to buy 2 of them, you would use that 79 cent off a 2 digital coupon. You would pay 79 cents or get these for just 39 cents a piece. So it's up to you guys if you guys want to go ahead and do that. I still think 79 cents is an okay deal for candy, because a lot of the times they want, like, when I was a kid, they were 50 cents. 50 cents. And now they want like $1.34 for a freaking candy bar. And nothing's changed except they just gotten smaller, which I think is kind of weird. But I ended up doing the Crest toothpaste deal. Again, you guys, now this is a great deal. Hopefully you guys can do it. It comes out to be a moneymaker if you guys still have the coupons for it. Otherwise, if not, there is some digital coupons that make them free. So my store didn't have the signs up for it, so I had to kind of guess on what ones they were, but this is still a good deal. So I definitely want to go back to Walgreens and do this deal again because it's such a good deal. And I just love the reflect. I mean, they put so much, I mean, they really get your eye with this. Like, look how shiny that is. It's like, yeah, I want to buy it just because it's shiny. But these are $3.99. You guys want to use two $2 off coupons that we got from our P&G. If you guys have those coupons, you would pay $3.98 for both of these. But then you guys will get a $5 register reward, making these absolutely free, or a $1.02 moneymaker. So definitely go ahead and do that deal. Last week was a better deal with these, but in case you guys, you know, still want to get a couple deals in, I just cannot stop watching the reflect. Like, these are so pretty. So pretty. So, yes, go ahead and do that. But yeah, I was going to do the Nexus, and I'm just like, oh, sorry you guys, I'm just really tired all of a sudden. I was going to do the Nexus, but I'm like, I'm going to wait till the beauty event. Now, there is supposedly a beauty event coming out this weekend, this coming weekend. So, I'm going to try to do a Nexus deal for that because I think, you know, I just like to get it even cheaper than what I can, because to do that deal you have to buy more than 2 of them, and they're $19.99 each, or there's some that's 15 something, but you can't even buy the little bottles to make up the difference anymore. It's just the bigger stuff. So it's like, okay, I'd rather get, you know, 7,000 extra points for the Nexus deal. So we will see what I can do with that. But otherwise, my total came to $3.08 for everything. I ended up, I can't stop yawning. Oh my god, I'm boring myself. That's how tired I am, you guys. But I ended up using $20 worth of register rewards. So My total technically came to $23.08 without registry rewards. So a lot of you guys like to know if I do use them or not. But I ended up receiving a $5 registry reward for the Crest deal. And then I also received 9,000 points. I had a Catalina for spend 20, you get 5,000 points. So I had to pay cash for this because I would not gotten points if I used my points. And then I also got 4,000 points for the soft soap deal. So definitely go ahead and check that out. So my grand total without the register rewards that I paid for factored in was $12.08, or with the register rewards it was $10.92. But I think $12.08 for all that stuff is a pretty good deal. I mean, if you guys think about it, just that toothbrush alone is $15. So it's like I got everything pretty much for free and I just paid for the toothbrush. So it's up to you guys what you guys want to do, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry for a small haul. I will try to go back and get more motivation to share with you guys more deals. I'm just not feeling it today. I'm just over exhausted and I just need a needed break from the shopping weekend. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.